we can do that up a whole step. But we can also do our pinky up a half step from our ring finger. So that's one variation you can do anytime. So, you know, simple little thing. But the one I do a lot, and it adds so much, and it's going to be your middle finger. So, the one that's in the middle. Your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the E string is your best friend. Check it out. So watch that again. So just lots of that, right? So the first variation I think made quite a bit of sense, but this one I like too. So I bent it, and I'm not bending it out of tune. It's just a little nudge. It might look like I'm bending it more than I am. So it's really going to be your sound. Really listen. But so I'm going to bend this down, and instead of letting it ring open, I go, and I'm going straight to the octave, an E note, which is the 2nd fret of the D string. So check it out. When you're playing a regular open E7 chord, use your